If you want to maintain your privacy while using DoorDash, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll down to locate the Privacy section within your account settings. This section contains options related to your visibility and online status. Step 4. Adjust online status. In the Privacy settings, look for an option that allows you to toggle your online status visibility. Switch this option to off to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Exit the settings menu, and your online status should now be hidden from others. By following these steps, you can enjoy using DoorDash without worrying about your online visibility.